How to get subscribers on Telegram channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get subscribers on Telegram channel, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you open up Telegram application over here, and then let's just say that you created a new group and now you would like to just go ahead and then basically get subscribers, there are very key things you need to follow. The first thing that I wanted to check is if you have a private or public channel. So just tap on your profile here and then just tap the edit button over here, and here you can see channel type. Just make sure it is a public channel, because if it is a private channel then you will not be able to gain more audience. And after you've done that, also make sure that the invite link is actually quite friendly so that people can just type it in if they wish to. After that, if you have approved request and so on, you can just try to turn off those in order to approve those request stuffs. Otherwise you can just go ahead and then select all this. The next thing you want to do is simply make sure to share the link with your friends and family and add people from your contact list as well if you prefer that. And this way you should be able to actually get subscribers on Telegram. And also always make sure to post useful content, because without useful content no one is really going to subscribe. I can tell you this because I'm part of so many channels over here and people post so many useful stuff. That is why I subscribe to the channel. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.